In this video, I wanted to shoot a quick follow-up on the TYR L1 lifter, which is advertised as the only anatomical weightlifting shoe on the market. I'm going to show you why I think this product still needs some improvement using the liner test that they themselves advocate for. Hey guys, Coach Jordan with the Twin Cities Kettlebell Club, coming to you from the boiler room, which is the winter home. During the frigid months, I move in here because my garage is not heated yet. So these TYR lifters, I did a quick video on before, and I had the size 11.5, which is really the size that I should have. And now they're supposed to be an anatomically shaped weightlifting shoe. When I tried them on, they were too narrow in the toe box still, and they were wider in the midfoot but too narrow in the toe box. And so I thought maybe I'll go up a size, maybe it's just a sizing problem, and if I go up half a size to the 12s, because sometimes you need to go up a size and it can help you alleviate some of those concerns. So I went up a size and got the size 12 in the all white, which I think look pretty fresh with the gum sole, but still running into some issues, and I'll show you why here with the liner test. If you're not familiar with the liner test, in order to see if a shoe is the appropriate size and shape for your foot, you take the liner out that comes with the shoe, and you can see this is just a standard TYR liner that's in size 12. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this and put it down on the floor and then see how does my foot actually stack up on this. So now you see I've taken the liner out of the shoe and set it on the ground, and all we're going to do here to see if this shoe fits or is appropriately shaped, all we're going to do is take and I'm going to splay my toes like I normally would, put my foot down, and you'll see on the outside of my foot here, you can see that the liner stops about here, and my pinky toe actually comes outside of the liner. This toe is off of the liner, this toe is off of the liner, and my heel is all the way back in the slot where it should be. So you can see, using the liner test that even the guys from Squat University recommend to test your shoes, you can see that this TYR shoe is still too narrow here in the toe box, because the widest part of your feet should be your toes. Your toes should spread and splay. That's going to get you activation of all three arches, better connection with the ground, better ground force transfer, which leads to better lifting and leads to better sports performance. So this is better because it's wider here in the midfoot, so there is more room for the foot to breathe than, say, this Nike Romaleo, which I showed in my last video. You can see there's a big difference there, but it's still too narrow at the toes. They haven't gotten it quite right yet, so there's still room for improvement here. I think this needs to be wider here by, about half an inch or so, and hopefully there will be something on the market soon that addresses this problem. Till next time.